Here is the question, and here is our mind map approach. We have seen this passage in earlier lessons, and this is the mind map we came up with. Our first bite was the first sentence of the passage. What did it do? It raised a question around whether this scientist can be considered a remarkable one. Our second bite is this part of the passage. What did this bite do? It developed a case for yes as the answer, as in why this scientist should be considered a remarkable one. Then we saw a contrast trigger, followed by what we can consider the last bite of the passage. And what this does is to develop a case for no as the answer, as in why this scientist cannot be considered a remarkable one. We completed the first 4 steps, and now we must go about reading the question stem. We see that this is purpose of a highlighted term question. Such questions are generally inference-based. We need to refer back to the passage, but just the relevant part. The context here is that scientists in general are unwilling to group our scientist alongside these remarkable scientists, and then a specialist has been quoted who suggests the reason for this unwillingness by stating that our scientist worked best in a certain role rather than doing this other type of job that likely makes such scientists remarkable. Once this groundwork is done, answering the question is going to be quite easy. So, what is the highlighted term judging? It is judging that our scientist did not specialize in this nature of work. Therefore, to say that the highlighted term is part of a judgment concerning our scientist's areas of expertise is absolutely correct. Please notice this important phrase, part of. The complete judgment here is that our scientist best served in some capacity and not in the other capacity. The highlighted phrase here refers to the expertise that our scientist did not have. A very interesting answer choice to get correct. If you got this right and through a correct and complete reasoning, excellent job. The highlighted term is not about the fame of our scientist, nor is it about his climate change activism, nor about his work as an astronomer, and not about his advocacy for science education. It is one of those questions where none of the other answer choices truly compete. B is the correct answer choice.